Here I have Nokia 7.1 and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. At the very beginning, open the upper bar, slide twice to open it, and select Do Not Disturb. Just click on the switcher, and since now Do Not Disturb mode is on. If you'd like to turn it off, just select the same icon one more time. And that's it. You can also personalize this mode. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then go to the settings. Here you have to find and pick sound and select Do Not Disturb. Here you can add some exceptions, so let's for example pick calls and allow calls. So you can allow calls from anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts only, or none. Let me pick none. Let's go back. You can also schedule your DND mode. You can turn on automatically this mode, for example, while you are sleeping. You can pick the dates and also the hours. So, for example, from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. next day. You can also turn it on for some events from your calendar. And when you pick sound and vibration, you can allow alarms while your DND mode is on or media sounds. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.